In this video, I'm going to discuss the past strategy for the subject Algorithmic Thinking with Python for the 2024 scheme. So here first we can see the high yield topic. So first question, it is recursion. It appears in module 3 code and module 4 the theory part. Master Fibonacci, factorial and GCD. Then second question, it is about the flow charts. Every part B module 2 question involves drawing one. Then comparisons. Greedy versus dynamic programming, algorithm versus heuristics, list versus tuple. Then fourth question, it is a 6 steps. The problem solving process appears in almost every part B module 1. These are the 4 important questions. Now we can see the module wise past strategy. So first module is theoretical logic. The questions are you have to memorize definitions and examples. Then first question, it is problem solving strategies. You must know the difference between trial and error, heuristics, mean sense analysis, and backtracking. So it is asked in December 2024 and May 2025 question paper. Then the next question is 6 steps of problem solving. Understand the flow definition, model, algorithm, program, test, evaluate. Then coming to module 2, pseudocode and flowcharts. So here the first question, it is converting a word problem into a flowchart or pseudocode. Do not memorize complex syntax for this. Use standard English like logic. Common problems in these sections are grading systems, if-else ladders, finding the largest or smallest number, calculating averages. For these types of questions, you have to draw the flowchart or write the pseudocode. Then Python essentials, data types, int, float, string. Control flow, if, elif, else, for, while. December 2024 and May 2025 both asked for flowcharts or pseudocode for grading or basic math, area of circle, discount calculation. Coming to module 3, Python specifics, the coding section. In that first it is the recursion. You will be asked to write a recursive function. It can be factorial, Fibonacci, GCD, sum of digits. Know base case and the recursive steps. Then second one is data structures. This slicing. Part A always has a list slicing question. Then mutability. Know that lists are mutable and tuples or strings are immutable. This is a standard 3-mark question. Then modularization. Basics of defining a function. Coming to module 4, algorithms. In that the versus questions, you will likely see greedy versus dynamic programming, divide and conquer versus brute force. Greedy technique, best choice now, local optimum. Example, coin change, interval scheduling. Then dynamic programming, solve subproblems, store the results. Example, Fibonacci, shortest path. Divide and conquer, break into halves, solve, merge. Example, merge sort. Then second type is the trace it. Be ready to manually trace merge sort on a small array. Draw the splitting and merging tree. Then part A questions. Important part A questions are output prediction. They will give a snippet, slicing or a loop and ask for output. Practice Python list slicing ranges. Then definition types. What is a heuristic? What is memoization? Define brute force. Then small code. Write a Python snippet to check if a number is numeric or palindrome. So here in this subject, 60% of the exam is theory, pseudocode and flowchart, and only 40% is actual Python syntax based on the previous papers. Thank you.